Before I give one thing, I will say for anybody reading it or listening to this, it wasn't fast. It was brutally slow. 2004. I mean, I worked a total of 16 months, to get. I mean, if you add it all up, $3,500. Like that's how much I worked, and I worked, and I worked, and I worked. But what was it that made it grow exponentially, if you will, from there, or really grow from there? Understanding that's kind of when my main website started to get a lot of traction. And then I looked at it and I just talked like first thing I said in this call is all about like revenue stacking, like stacking different models to make more money. For me, it was okay, my website's starting to make it. What else can I do to get more juice out of the lemon? Like what else can I add to my website to make more money? So I added this. And then all of a sudden my revenue goes up $300 a month. And then I added this, and then it goes up 500. And then I added, like it was just stacking more onto it, looking at not just making money through like with Amazon affiliates, not just making money there, but maybe finding other affiliates, maybe creating an info product, maybe creating a physical product. Adding, once you have a website that's doing well and has the authority and it's starting to rank and is like pretty solidified as like a decent competitor, try to make it better and then try to add other monetization strategies that stack. And when you do that, that's when the real magic happens. I would say that was the biggest thing because my main website still makes the most amount of money, but that main website has also been diversified across so many different channels to make all that money, and it just keeps revenue stacking on itself. So I think that would probably be the biggest thing. And I keep making more websites too. I mean, that helps. But my main one that's the biggest thing.
Yes. And I'll point out one thing. I know we can't go in depth really at all, but there are always opportunities. 1 week ago when you and I were talking, you told me about a cool new opportunity, another revenue stacking opportunity that you had no clue existed.
Yep.
In my opinion.
And that's after like what, 4 years or 5 years, like that came out of nowhere. Yeah, that came out of nowhere.
And it's not like you haven't been looking for stuff, right?
No, and like it was something I didn't think of. I got an email from someone and then I thought, hey, I should probably look into this. And then I come to find out that I'll just make it vague, but if I generate a phone call to a specific thing, and this phone call lasts for, I think it's like 90 seconds or 120 seconds, I make $400. That's off of one phone call. Never even thought about it. It wasn't something I thought about. It just kind of happened. And you always have to be, if you have a website that's doing relatively well, getting some traffic, you have to always look into new ways to monetize it and things to add on to it, right? That was what just happened. And like I said, that was after 4 years. And I was totally like, I didn't even know this was a thing, So it happens. It just happened. You just always have to keep your eyes open. So
Right.